Now I want my students to grapple with this new information. They've had an opportunity to look over this PDF, but have they really used it? So I'm going to add an open-ended question. And I'm in my Nearpod app. I just need to, well, come on, where are you? There it is, open-ended question. And I'm actually going to set a timer on my students for this one. I'm going to add a 10-minute timer to this. So I had 10 minutes, 0 seconds. I'm going to add that. So there's my timer. I'm going to add a reference image because I want it to be that same PDF. So I'm going to upload that same exact PDF, that Lake Erie Food Web PDF, so they have access to it. So they have access to the material that they need right inside this open-ended question. So while that's uploading, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add in my question, which I've done a copy paste. And the question says, I have attached the Lake Erie Food Web for you to use as a reference. Use the food web to write that looks like there's an extra space there. Let's take it out. 2 sentences. Each sentence must describe a food chain that is part of the Lake Erie Food Web. So they actually have to look in here and figure out this is eaten by this is eaten by this is eaten by this. Here's an example sentence for you to use as a model. Grass is eaten by rabbit, and that's totally not in the Lake Erie Food Web, obviously. And rabbit is eaten by fox. So I'm going to save that open-ended question to my Nearpod, and that's going to load right at the bottom. And once it completely renders, I'll be able to see a little sneak peek of that. Here it comes right there. All right, so I've added an open-ended question.